Salah is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Now I am going to say something about this topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Humayun Kabir before you. First of all, I like to thank my honorable teachers for giving me the opportunity to present something about Salah. Salah is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and an essential part of Muslim daily life. Salah is the mention in the Holy Quran 82 times. Also, Salah holds great importance in the daily life of Muslim. Allah said in the Holy Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. That means, surely my prayers, my sacrifice, my doing, my dying, my living, and everything only for Allah. Allah also said in the Holy Quran, Aqimus salata wa atu zakata warka'u ma'ar raqiin. Establish the prayer and give the zakat and bow with whose bow. Allah further said in the Holy Quran, surely the prayers keeps one away from wrongdoing and evil deeds. Our Prophet ﷺ in the Hadith Sharif said, As-salatu miftahul jannah. He also said in the Hadith Sharif, the difference between us and disbelievers is prayers. He further said in the Hadith Sharif, on the days of judgment, first of all, to be accounted for will be the prayer. So, finally, I would like to say that the importance of Salah cannot be described in words. So, we will pray Salah ourselves and invite others to pray. That's all. Thank you very much. Thanks for your great presence. Allah Hafiz.